Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another favorites video, and this is in collaboration with Jessica MyRose, our host. So if you want to know what our favorites are this month, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so every month I collab with a bunch of YouTubers here, and we tell you guys what our monthly favorites are. Products that we love to use, and it has never let us down. So first off, I want to say thank you so much to Jessica from Jessica MyRose. She is the host of this collaboration. Please visit her channel, give her some love. Thank you again for letting us get together to do this. I love this video, although I hope you guys will learn to love this too, because you guys need to watch this. You can learn so much from everyone's favorites. We have different niches, either in home, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, fitness, and we just give it to you all. So don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below because we got you covered. All right, guys, we are short on time. Sorry about my lighting. It has been raining and feeling like fall the last couple days, and I'm just so excited about the weather because I'm so done with it. I am so done. I am ready for oversized sweaters and leggings and boots and everything in between. So yes, and plus the holidays, Halloween, one of my favorite months, as well as Christmas. And so I can't wait. Can't wait. What about you guys? Comment down below what your traditions are during like October, Thanksgiving, Christmas. What are your traditions? Comment it down below. My very first favorite is this Gouache. Oops. Sorry about that. This is called a Gouache facial tool by Pure Soul. This tool is used to increase circulation in your face, and so I like to go this way. I don't want to like ruin my makeup or anything, but it helps with just kind of giving you a facial massage. But recently I learned that you can use Gouache so many other ways, and I actually learned this from Vanessa Beauty. She also has an Instagram, Love Your Skin. Basically, she used the Gouache as a massage tool to help with her sore muscles. So she used it on her shoulders, like this. Oh my gosh, it feels so good, guys. You don't even know. It feels so good. What really helped me when I found out about this, aside from my chronic shoulder pains, is if you're feeling any kind of muscle aches and pains on your joints, on your fingers, not really your joints, but in between your fingers, guys. There was a time when I was just having like pain around my hands, and this really helped get into that and massage it nicely. And guys, honestly, I feel like the shape of the tool is what's unique about it, because it gives you the sensation that you need to kind of feel relief from all those body aches, knots that you have on your hands, stuff like this. Oh my gosh. It gives you that deep massage without really getting a professional massage, if you know what I mean. I know Amazon has a lot of Gouache tools that are much bigger, that are really meant for the body. And actually, they're a great gifting idea for this season, for this holiday season. Get yourself one of those. All right, next one is an eyeshadow. It's just one eyeshadow. Yeah, literally. This is from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Look at this. I love this palette. It's small, compact, and it looks like a coffin. Perfect for October. This is the palette right here. And all you need are these colors. You have your transition shade. You have a pop of color, and you also have like a deeper orange, burnt orange kind of color. And this one, this shade in particular is my favorite. And I believe it's sold. Yeah, the shade is in sold. Let me just swatch it for you, but look at that. Perfect fall color. This is everything you need, guys. It can go neutral or it can go bold, either way. So this is like my #1 shade right now. Love it. Next one, guys, you're gonna be needing this, especially with your transition from fall to winter. It's socks. It's like those no-show socks that are good for flats. And you'll see it's open here, but it's attached to your legs. Don't you hate it when you wear those types of socks that every time you lift your feet up or you start walking, the whole sock comes out. But now you have this. It attaches to your leg so it never ever comes off. Genius. Comes in a set of 3 for like $24 at Nordstrom, and I think I got it on sale, so I just had to. I wish I got the nude color too, because I think I would use that more and it's less noticeable in the back. But yes, love this. Next one is a lippy color, and I forgot to wear it, but this is one of my most favorite colors at the moment by Black Cosmetics. If you guys haven't seen my video on Philippine-owned brand makeup, I'll link it up here somewhere or over here. But basically, I tried Black Cosmetics recently, and it's been my go-to. Aside from the color, this is in the color Maple, but I also love the color Brick. But aside from those two colors, formula is amazing. It's so different and unique from the ones that I've tried, and the scent, oh, it has a pandan flavor. If you're Filipino, you know what that is. And I forgot to mention, I think in my previous video, that this is a brand owned by a famous actress in the Philippines, Ann Curtis, and I think she's done a few indie movies here in the United States as well. So she knows what she's talking about when it comes to makeup, and the formula on this one is amazing. It has outbeat any type of liquid lipsticks I've ever tried. So Kylie Cosmetics, move aside. I got this from Amazon. This is by the brand Yamadura, but a lot of brands sell this type of atomizer. Okay, you guys know I'm all about Scentbox and their atomizers, Scentbird and Scentbox, and I have a gazillion of them. But I also love perfumes, like having a full perfume bottle. As you guys know, I love to travel, but one of the things that was hard for me was to bring an actual perfume bottle. This is genius. It allows you to refill this atomizer by putting the contents of the bigger bottle into here. This comes in a set of 4. I already gave the other one to my husband, and I'm planning to gift this one to a friend. But basically, it comes in 4 colors. I have the pink one. It's probably in my purse already. And I filled it up with my Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. And actually, I got another perfume from my aunt. Thank you so much for gifting that to me. But it comes in blue, silver, gold, and pink. And it looks like this. And it has a window to let you know how to fill this up and how much to fill it up with. There's the spray bottle, right? But underneath, I have an example, because this one, the cap broke off, like the spray thingy broke off. This is one of my to-go perfumes by Chloe. And so I haven't been able to use this because like the perfume won't come out, right? So this is genius, guys. All you gotta do is insert this on top. Like, you take off the regular cap for the spray bottle, put it on top, and then press it down, and it will start filling up this atomizer right here. Hope you guys can see that. Right, it's filling up. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness. It's more than halfway there. You guys can see it, right? Okay, it's filled up. So there's that, the Chloe perfume. And now I have it in my little spray bottle. You can take this for travel. And yes. I smell good again. I love it, guys. You need to get one of these, and you can fill it up with your favorite perfumes and just be on the go, especially now during the holidays. It is perfect for travel, and I can't wait. I can't wait to bring it. Okay, last one, guys, is a bag, a purse by Senreve. Is it senreve? So I contacted the brand, and they said that it was pronounced as senreve. I've seen a lot of actors and actresses actually wear this and sport this bag. Okay, this is the modern fanny pack, guys. So I will try to put a picture of me wearing it here. I love this. It can be worn as a handbag, but the best way it's worn is as a fanny pack or kind of like a hanging bag like this. And it would just hang nicely here. And you can shorten this and it would go this way actually. The strap would go in through this way and then you can carry it like a crossbody, like a short crossbody. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? But this brand is so popular. They're known for this design on their clasp. So when I go out, I like to have it like this, like hanging in front of me. And so it's just another way of sporting a bag instead of the traditional messenger bag. Love it, guys. Love it. And you will too. It comes in many colors. It's not as expensive, but I think they do run, maybe this one is probably a couple of $100s. It's a clasp like that. It's big enough for your phone, your keys, and a little perfume on the go. But your wallet, everything. It's so compact. It's so well made. Check out this brand, guys. Senreve. I need to know how to pronounce this. I'm not that fancy, but I know when something is really good, and I love this, guys. Get yourself one of this. This is a perfect Christmas gift as well. It's so versatile. You can wear it like 3 ways. You will love this. Oh my gosh, it's raining cats and dogs. That is my cue to leave. And I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites video. Check out our playlist down in the description box below. Let me know what is your favorite from this lineup that I shown you guys. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.